Good evening and welcome. My name is Kathy and I am a student at Colorado Christian University. Today is January 9th, 2022, and this is my video diary for session 1. And I thought that I would talk a little bit tonight about leadership and one of the things that we discussed in session 1 was working in teams and groups and how different personalities interact. And a leader needs to be able to lead their team effectively despite the personalities that are within the team. And sometimes there's extremely good personalities and somebody may be introverted, but they need just a little bit of a push to become a better leader. And so one of the things that we talked about was working in groups and how a team can be effective and what they need to establish to be in order to be an effective team. And one of those things is to establish behavioral norms and allow everybody an opportunity to speak. And I thought about how I would fit into a group, and I tend to be more introverted and a little bit on the shy side, and sometimes it takes me a while to come forward and be able to speak within the group, but as I become more comfortable, I can be able to bring my opinion forward. And I thought of an example in the book of John of Jesus and the letters of John, and how John was not initially a leader. And it says in the introduction to the letters of John, it says, James, in the beginning, he displayed a lot of selfishness and anger, constantly looking for ways to get ahead or gain a favored position. But soon Jesus began to mold him into a leader. And that to me is very important when we're talking about leaders and how they manage their teams and how they interact with their teams and what expectations they set for the team. And I thought what also spoke to me was on page 1436. It says, and this is from the book of John 1, chapter 1, verse 1. 3 key words appear throughout the letters: life, light, and love. These are the qualities that Jesus Christ, the Lord of leaders, embodies for his people. They are also the qualities of a good leader breathes into his or her organization. Effective leaders love their people and relate to them well. They shed light on issues and the decisions that need to be made, and they push life into the organization by their presence, their skills, and their character. And to me, that really speaks to how Jesus led his people, and he led John and helped John to become a leader, and that he was his only begotten son, and that he took care. Jesus said as he was being crucified that he wanted John to take care of Mary. And the last thought that I had before I stopped the video, the one thing that spoke to me, this is from 1 John chapter 43, verse 8. Leaders are to read the spirit behind a person's behavior, to sense how ready he or she may be to contribute to the team. Leaders look for a spirit that confesses Christ as Lord, agrees with and believes the truth, and loves others. And to me, that's really important when we talk about teams. And so with that, I'm going to end the video. Thank you for coming and listening, and have a great evening.